In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to globally mute users on Discord. Discord's global mute feature allows server moderators and administrators to mute a member across all voice channels within a server. This is especially useful if someone is disrupting conversations by moving between channels or repeatedly causing interruptions. Instead of muting the person in one voice channel at a time, a global mute applies throughout the entire server until it's removed. To get started, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to mute a user. Keep in mind that you'll need the appropriate permissions, such as moderate members or administrator, depending on how your server is configured. Once you're in the server, locate the member you want to mute from the member list or while they're connected to a voice channel. Right-click on the user's name to open the context menu. If you're using Discord on a mobile device, press and hold the user's name instead. From the available options, look for Mute and select it. Once enabled, the user will be muted in voice channels across the server, preventing others from hearing them until the mute is turned off. If the member is already connected to a voice channel, the mute will take effect immediately. If they disconnect and later join another voice channel in the same server, the global mute setting will remain active, so they will continue to be muted. This makes it much easier to manage disruptive behavior without having to repeat the same action every time the user switches channels. If you ever need to remove the mute, simply locate the same user again. Open the context menu and click Mute once more to disable it. The member will immediately regain the ability to speak in voice channels, provided they don't have any other restrictions or moderation actions applied. Remember that global mute only affects voice communication. It doesn't stop a user from sending text messages, reacting to posts, or participating in text channels. If you also need to limit a member's text activity, you'll need to use the appropriate moderation tools or adjust their server permissions separately. Using global mute responsibly helps maintain a positive environment during voice chats, meetings, gaming sessions, and community events. It's a simple moderation feature that can quickly reduce disruptions while allowing conversations to continue smoothly for everyone else. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to globally mute users on Discord and remove the mute whenever it's no longer needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,